So we go from the suburbs into the forest, and like it says in this in the winter, chains and four-wheel drive are required to come into the forest here. And just like that, we left the relatively suburban part of Black Hawk, South Dakota, and we are going into the Black Hills National Forest. This is a region of South Dakota that's administered by the federal government and is not legal for the state or individuals to take possession of. So there are little pieces of private land where individuals live inside of a forest.
Great.
But the farther you go up the hill, the less likely it is there to be a private residence, and the more likely it's just part of the forest, with no humans ever having lived there or done anything there, other than take the trees out for logging.
So this means hunters are inside?
They could be.
Is it dangerous for us to walk? Or
As long as we stay on the road, we should be fine.
okay. 안녕하세요 여러분, 오늘은 블랙힐스의 국립공원에 나와 있습니다. 자연이 느껴지시나요? 여기는 합법적으로 헌터들이 사냥을 할 수가 있어요. 빵빵. 근데 저는 지금 라이센스가 없는데 라이센스를 원하면 딸 수도 있고 총을 할 수도 있어요. 일단 한번 들어가 보시죠. Yeah, I think a lot of wild animals.
So the animals we have here are the deer,
Uh-huh.
takcha, the turkey, the antelope,
Uh-huh.
elk,
Uh-huh.
mountain lion,
Uh-huh.
bobcat, coyote, bear.
That's a lot.
Yeah. These orange trees, you get a permit from the Forest Service, and if a tree is marked like that, then you're allowed to take it.
Yeah.
These are ponderosa pine trees, wazi in Lakota. And there's pine cones. Have you seen the pine cones?
Is it? Ah, that one. So you call it pine cones,
Yeah.
and squares eat it, maybe?
Not as much as acorns, but mostly it's just for the trees to drop for their seeds, and not very many animals eat them because they're protected by these stickies, and they protect the seeds.
Okay.
But they also catch on to animals' coats and allow them to carry them around.
I was like, fire in the hole!
Your little grenades, huh? Okay, you ready?
Yep. Fire in the hole! Peaceful nature. This is amazing you live with this forest.
Yeah.
Just like 2 miles away, or yeah,
1
mile.
Say goodbye.
지금까지 블랙힐스 국립공원이었습니다. 안녕.